Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to share with you my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit for the month of August. And it's large, and maybe it matches. You'll have to tell me. I did decide to go mood board focused, and I'll share with you my paper first and then everything else after. So I really want to use up some of my summer stuff, so next summer I can buy some new collections. It's kind of where I'm at with that. So I decided to focus in on the blues and teal colors with just a little pop of pink, which is where that mood board kind of took me. So yes, this has purple in it, but I grabbed it to use up the blues and greens in this one. So I've got this paper pad. It is called Mermaid Dreams from Echo Park. This, I just kind of said summer to me, so I went ahead and grabbed it, see if I could use a little bit of it. Oh, can't even tell you where that's from. Here's a couple. I felt this green worked so perfectly with the mood board, and it's the All Heart from Crepe Paper. And then there's also black and white polka dot back there. There's that one. Just in case I want to do an ice cream layout, I grabbed this one from Cocoa Daisy. I grabbed just a plain piece of cardstock, so I can either use the blue or the green. It's kind of the wrong shade of green, but I feel like the blue for water is probably usable. A fun summer floral. This one says "You're Invited." I think this is a wedding line from Bo Bunny. A mixed media background I created a very long time ago that has the absolute perfect colors in it, so I love how that's going to tie in. Here's just a simple black and white floral. I figured I could use that, and if not, I could use this side. So I threw it in just so I had an option. And then I kind of get into a couple muted colors. I kind of go into a few muted colors. So I've got this nice light kind of, it's almost a purple, but gray. Here's one that has kind of all the colors I'm looking for with pops of yellow, which I don't plan on using, but it's there. In case I want to do a summer layout, I pulled this too. These are all the same. These are all from Simple Stories. So I have a little bit left of them, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I grabbed this cut apart so I could use the last little bits of that, get that used up. And then the back of it also has that same teal green color going on. You can't have a summer theme layout without the fun, what do you even call this? Can't even remember what you call it, but the hearts there. There you go. And then the back of it has a nice little pink there. Some teal. This is Pink Fresh Studios. Not Pink Fresh Studios, Pink Paisley, Paige Evans. Here's the Wild Heart from Crepe Paper. I love both sides of this, but I'll probably use that side. And then I've got this one that has been hanging out in my stash for so long, so I will love it if I could get this used. And then I have this one as well, which just has a nice water effect to it. So that is going to be my paper selection for this kit, and I'm hoping I can find something. Let's use this here. That's my paper selection. I then decided that I would grab some stickers because I am trying to kill some stickers. So here's the Simple Stories one, the Sunshine and Blue Skies, whatever I can use up. Mostly if I can use like these, that would be super awesome. I love how this color matches the mood board. So I'd love to use up some of these the best I could. If I need to pull in from here, that's great. This I can just chop off and put into my traveler's notebook. So that would be nice if I could just get this kind of used up this month. And then here's that Mermaid Dreams collection. Again, just to pull the blues. So this will probably go back in its thing because I don't know, I might use purples, but I'm not planning on it. So there's that. And finish off, I grabbed, this is from my Ipsy bag, but I grabbed this so I could do some of that fun where you get mixed media on it and then you flip it over and it has that fun look. I grabbed it for that. And then I grabbed, again, the tags and frames and other stuff for the bits and pieces from the two collections. So Simple Stories and Echo Park there. I grabbed a couple things from the Creative Cuts Club from last summer. So this was something that Christina had taught us, and I grabbed it for that. And then I grabbed some cut files. So I've got some seashells, And some of this is kind of extra stuff. Here's a dolphin that's been a little crinkled. So there's a dolphin. And I've got for you some flip-flops there. I love those. I think those will be really usable. I've got some clouds. They're all running together. Some clouds there. Those are fabulous. Sunshine. And then there's some ice cream cones if I want to do an ice cream layout. Love those. I think that's all my cut files. There's this extra one which wasn't supposed to be in there. Here is some just puffy stickers that I think were also in one of the Creative Cuts clubs, so I felt like I could try to use those up. And then there's also, oh, here's the last one. There's the word explore. I thought maybe I could try to use that up some way. Explore. There's that. This cut file says summer spelled out there. And then in each one, so this is July and this is August, there's just the little package of the flare and the mix and the sequins and just the fun little things. So I grabbed those. I grabbed a package of sequins. This one is Oops-a-Daisy. These are a new mix released from July. And finally, I grabbed these two little pieces of ephemera because I felt like they matched the colors. All right, guys, that is going to be my kit for the month of August. I'm excited to get started, and I will see you all at the end of the month to show you what I've used up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.